क्योंकि खूब और का बातें से टीवी। ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
MLA Jong BGP bolongro Myntri Jong Sarkar Jala haka sautarek unaitung arajar arpsan ulong baka Shong haka party ban siem yakarai haka baidai bat ka jing Bujli ya kashuki Myntri haka jingkran bat kilar pathai kubor uba hek ulong ba kanu karai Jong ka party kandeiru karai kabakadu kabenta Jongu.
That is the party decision, but for the party decision is a final to me. You can ask from the party only, that one I'll not be able to tell you, the party will tell you.
But have you signed me? Because
You ask the party will tell you, not me.
But there's a report, unconfirmed report, saying that you and Basanur had a mutual agreement.
That you can ask from the party only. The party will be able to give you the clear picture.
but party is saying to take it from you.
Let the party tell me, why you have to ask me. Let the party tell me, then I'll tell you. But if the party they have not asked me, this is asked by you only. So that is the duty, responsibility of the party. The party will take a call on this.
So
I said that, I told you from the beginning, whatever party take decision, I will abide with the party decision.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.